Look at this. Very fancy glass fridge. And inside this, ready? You have a bird whistle kit. Very unexpected. This is the Cadillac Sollei concept. The door is enormous, but to open it, very tiny little button right there. Ready? Just like that. Same yellow on the inside. And behind the seats, you have hand-placed wood in the shape of sun rays because this entire car is sun-themed. 55-inch screen, pillar to pillar, infotainment, your gauge, passenger screen. There's the goddess right there in glass, very nice. And of course, to close up the fridge, just press that and the glass slides out.